According to literature, landfill gas that is comprised of about 50% methane as CH4 and 50% carbon dioxide, CO2, has a heating value of 500 BTUs per SCF. Some of this gas is used in a commercial pipeline, which has a required heating value of 1000 BTUs per SCF. If 9% of the gas in the pipeline is propane, with a heating value of 2500 BTU per SCF, what is the actual percentage of methane in the landfill gas being used? So this is a problem that we might see on the environmental exam. I'm not sure if there is anything in the reference manual that will be helpful here, but if you read the problem once or twice, you may realize that this is just a simple mass balance problem. Let's set up the mass balance by taking some key information from the problem statement. We can see that the total heating value in the pipeline needs to reach 1000 BTUs per SCF. We are told that 9% of the gas in the pipeline is propane, with a heating value of 2500 BTU per SCF. This means that we can figure out how much of the gas is also methane, and from there determine its heating value. After we find its actual heating value, we can figure out what the actual percent of landfill gas is methane by comparing to the literature values provided. So 100% of the gas is in the pipeline, minus the 9% propane, means that 91% remains as methane. This will be our mass balance statement. So we can write 91% methane plus 9% propane times 2500 BTUs over SCF. Also, note that SCF means standard cubic feet, equals 100% of the 1000 BTUs per SCF. So solving for methane here, we can see that the heating value of the methane in the pipe is about 851 BTUs per SCF. Next, given that we know the heating value in the pipe and the heating value of 50% methane gas, we can determine the actual percent of methane in this specific landfill's gas. So setting up the ratio, we can say that 50% over X is the same as 500 BTUs per SCF over 851 BTUs per SCF. Writing this out a little bit more linearly, we can more easily solve for X, which we can see is going to come out to about 85%. So this problem is very easy to solve, as long as you understand the problem statement. Once you figure out the heating value of the methane mixed with propane in the pipeline, you can figure out the percentage of methane that the landfill gas is comprised of. And that's it.